The chairman of IPAC, let me stand by the existing protocol. Let me begin in thanking the Inter-Party Advisory Council for inviting me to be a part of this program. Indeed, I must say, I'm honored to participate at a forum like this to discuss such an important, critical topic, that is, the role of the judiciary in Nigeria's democratic sustainability, especially at this trying period of our democracy in Nigeria. I believe there is no better time to have such discussions than now, bearing in mind the critical role of the judiciary in democratic setup. The judiciary in Nigeria, as we are aware, has played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's democratic landscape. From the early days of independence to the present day, the judiciary has been entrusted with upholding the rule of law, ensuring justice, and safeguarding the rights of citizens. However, it is important to mention here that in an attempt to play such a critical role, the judiciary faces various challenges, such as inadequate funding, delays in justice delivery, judicial independence, subterranean influence, and many others. Despite these challenges, I believe that there are opportunities for reforms that would further improve and strengthen the judiciary, as well as enhance its role in democratic sustainability. I believe one of the key pillars of a vibrant democracy is an independent judiciary. Therefore, stakeholders in the democratic process must ensure that the judiciary remains free from external influences and interference. This will enable it to uphold the principles of justice, fairness, and the rule of law. Another key pillar is transparency and accountability within the judiciary. These are essential for building public trust and confidence in the judicial system. As political leaders, we must support efforts to enhance transparency, accountability, and integrity within the judiciary to promote democratic sustainability. In conclusion, I would like to say that the judiciary plays a crucial role in Nigeria's democratic sustainability. As political leaders, we must work collaboratively to strengthen the judiciary, uphold the rule of law, and protect the principles of democracy. Let us use this forum to reflect on the importance of judiciary in our democratic system and commit ourselves to supporting its independence, accountability, and effectiveness. Finally, in order to avoid finding ourselves in vicious cycle, blaming the politicians, blaming INEC, blaming the security agencies, blaming judiciary, we continue in a vicious cycle. I think what we need at the moment is institutional reform to ensure that all our institutions are not relying on leaders of the institutions. They are relying on their own rules and regulations, because leaders come and go, but the institutions remain. So once the institutions are strong, then you find out even if another institution is faulty, because other institutions who are stakeholders in democracy, if they are strong, then you find that you don't have to rely on a particular institution in order to succeed. But now, almost all our institutions in democracy are weak. And we continue in vicious circle. Even if the judiciary is reformed, if INEC is not reformed, if security agencies are not reformed, if the executive is not reformed, even the common man has to be reformed, because he too is not an honest man. Let me be frank with you. Thank you and God bless.